Hello and welcome to the Schedule Planner tutorial. First, go to the UM-Dearborn page and then scroll to the bottom of the page and click on UM-Dearborn Connect. Once you're there, click on Enter Secure Area and then go to Student Services and then Schedule Planner. Once you're in there, click Add Courses that you would like to take for the current semester. Here, my course status is open and full with waitlist open, so I will be able to see all the classes that are open or waitlisted. And my parts of term is selected 2 of 4, which can be changed here if we go here. Currently, I've selected summer 2 semester, half term session 2. Select your desired semester and then click on Save. Once you do that, you'll be able to add courses. Now click on Add Course and go ahead and add the course that you would like to take for the current semester. For example, right now I'm adding Comp 105. Go ahead and click on Add Course. Once you do that, you'll be able to see all the added course that you have added here. And then click on Schedule Planner. Select the course that you would like to see a schedule of and then click on Generate Schedule. For now, I'm just going to go click on Comp 105. Also, make sure you check your breaks before generating the schedule. Currently, I'm just going to go with no class Friday and then click on Generate Schedule. View the schedule, and if you like the schedule, then send it to the registration card. Then click on Continue. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about the schedule planner, feel free to email your advisors. Thank you.